Please make it. Don't leave me. We're going to. Get back here.
Enjoying your stay. Make sure not to get blood or dirt on your clothes, they like it nice and neat here. Oh, just ignore them. They always like to make a huge ruckus around here.
Yes! Will you give me your finger fetish? What about your eyes? We'll always make a good pie out of those. Everyone loves eyes. Please do sit around. Do you not want rum or wine? What about our crowd?
Don't go back to sleep, you dust demon! There's more of them! You know, some gruff or something. You have a lot of teeth, I know it. They maybe want some.
Are you here to be a part of this collection?
Watch out!
Oh.